Good evening, guys. Good evening, ma'am. Number 1, describe global and local teachers. So, global teachers integrate global perspectives into their teaching while remaining connected to local contexts. Whereas local teachers focus primarily on teaching within their immediate community or region without much consideration for global issues or perspectives. Global teachers often incorporate global issues, diverse cultural perspectives, and international example into their curriculum to help students understand the interconnectedness of the world. They may also use technology and collaborative project to connect students with peers from different parts of the globe. On the other hand, local teachers typically emphasize the specific needs, traditions, and values of their local community in their teaching, often drawing on local resources and experiences to make learning meaningful for their students. So, number 2, compare the Asian teachers and teaching profession with the 3 countries of the world: China, Japan, and United States of America. So Asian nations often collaborate on educational initiatives, sharing best practice and resources to improve teaching standard regionally. China places significant emphasis on standardized testing, which can influence teaching methods and priorities. Teaching is highly respected in Japanese society, and teachers are seen as authority figures. So, Japanese education often emphasizes group work and collaborative learning, with teachers acting as facilitator rather than lecturers. Focus on holistic development. So, Japanese education places development and Japanese education places emphasis not only on academic achievement but also in character development and social skills. The United States education system is decentralized, with each state having its own standard and approaches to teaching. This leads to a wide variety of teaching methods and philosophies. Teacher certification. In the United States, teachers typically undergo formal education and certification process with ongoing profession development requirements varying by state. Thank you.